Hello, Into Tomorrow listeners and viewers on the internet. Welcome to this week's ITTV Update. I'm your host, Dave Graveline. Having trouble connecting to wireless networks near you? Are you plagued by dropped signals and spotty connections? Coming up, Rob Almanza will show you one product that claims to improve your wireless network signal. He'll tell you if it worked for us. Andrea will join us with this week's tech term a bit later. It's a bit iconic. With our show this week on NASCAR technology, Chris has a bit of an automotive angle for you with This Week in Tech History.
Thanks. We'll start off in 1927 in New York's Waldorf Hotel. The first Ford Model A was unveiled there and in 35 other cities around the US, Canada, and Europe. The car was priced affordably, at least in those days. The Phaeton sold for $395 and the Tudor sedan for $495. The lag between cars available and orders on hand had mounted to 800,000 by the spring of 1928. Ford made almost 2 million Model A cars in 1929 alone. In 1951, the first push-button controlled garage opened in Washington, D.C. A single attendant, without entering a car, could automatically park or return an auto to or from the Parkomat in less than a minute. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History.
This Week in Tech History is brought to you by TigerDirect.com. So for all your electronics needs, simply go to TigerDirect.com.
Looking to improve your wireless network signal and speed? Well, here's Rob Almanza with this week's Product Spotlight.
Thanks, Dave. I happen to live across the street from our radio studio and have been looking for a product that will allow me to connect to our studio wireless connection. This product, the Wifi, has been able to help a bit. This is a compact range extending USB device that enables you to access a wireless internet connection, they say, from up to 1,000 feet away. It uses a directional antenna, a receiver, and software to find and enhance normal Wi-Fi signals. Setup was very easy and quick. We first installed the Wi-Fi Connection Manager software that's included into your computer, and a couple of minutes later, plug in the USB device. The Wi-Fi is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, and Mac OS. It can rest flat on any surface or clip securely on your laptop display or flat screen monitor. The USB cable extends only to 4 feet, so it was difficult when I found a good signal in a window, but I had to stand there with my laptop. To find the best signal though, you rotate the directional antenna, and then the software will let you know the signal strength in percentages. The most we were able to get was 56%, not that impressive. The Wi-Fi Connection Manager shows all available networks in your area. The internal wireless adapter on my computer found only 2 networks around me, but with the Wi-Fi I was able to find up to 7. Unfortunately, they were all secured, so I couldn't borrow some internet time. This product is available for under $80, and I have to say I wasn't overly impressed, but we'll try it at an airport or other open areas next time. Thanks for joining me this week. Back to you, Dave.
Thanks, Rob. I also have to say it was a bit frustrating, so we'll have to try this product again a little more. It's time now for this week's Tech Term of the Week. Here's Andrea Briceno.
Thanks, Dave. Do you remember the tech term that we were going over today? Yep, icon, and I'm sure we've seen them. And I'm not talking about Jeff Gordon or Jimmy Johnson, the NASCAR icons. I'm talking about the small picture that you have on the screen of your computer, which represents the shortcuts to your programs and files. Every file and program has an icon. The icon opens when you double-click on it. And when you're moving and copying files, that's done by dragging and dropping the icon to the desired location. That's why icons are mainly used to assist the user in recognizing where they want to go. But there are other types of icons. There's the group icon, which is an icon that represents a group of related files, and there's the watch icon, which in Windows, it's the hourglass symbol that replaces the normal mouse pointer symbol, indicating that the computer is working on something and it's unavailable to receive the new commands at the moment. That's this week's tech term, icon. So click away into tomorrow, Dave.
Thank you, Andrea. For more information on what we've featured on this ITTV update, visit our website at graveline.com. Don't forget about the Ask Dave hotline. It's open for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Got any question about any consumer electronics product? Give us a call, 1-800-899-INTO. That's 1-800-899-4686. Oh, and wait till you see what one lucky caller will win this month, just for participating on our radio show. Thanks for tuning into tomorrow.